सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका। अजमक्षरम् अद्वैतमनन्तम्, अजमक्षरम् अद्वैतमनन्तम् ध्यायन्ति ब्रह्म परं शान्तं, ध्यायन्ति ब्रह्म परं शान्तं। नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका। इत्यजन्ति बहुतर परितापम्, इत्यजन्ति बहुतर परितापम्, ये भजन्ति सच्चित् सुखरूपम्, ये भजन्ति सच्चित् सुखरूपम्। नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका। परमहंस गुरु भणितं गीतं, परमहंस गुरु भणितं गीतं, ये पठन्ति निगमार्थ समेतं, ये पठन्ति निगमार्थ समेतं। नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका काचित्, नहीं रे नहीं शंका। In the last class, we saw that Pibare Ramarasam, that bhakti towards the Lord is the sadhanam, as Shankaracharya says in his Viveka Chudamani, moksha sadhana samagriyam bhaktireva gariyasi swaswarupānusandhānam bhaktirityabhidhīyate. Among the means of moksha, the liberation, moksha sadhana samagriyam, bhakti alone, devotion alone is gariyasi, superior. Second line he says, what is that bhakti? That bhakti is swaswarupa anusandhanam, alone is the bhakti. Remaining in one's own nature, abiding or understanding one's own real nature, anusandhanam, dwelling in one's own nature, is real bhakti, the essence of 12th chapter of Gita. That bhakti is real bhakti, he says, Swaswaroopanusandhanam. Until now, in previous 5 kritis, we saw Saguna Bhakti or Dvaita Bhakti or Sakara Bhakti. The Lord with a form, that is Maya Sahitam Brahma. This is alone symbolized or picturized in Bhagavata Radha Krishna. Radha can never be separated from Krishna. Krishna represents Brahman, Radha represents Maya Tattvam. So Maya can never exist separate from Brahman. This is picturized in beautiful manner. We have to understand Radha Krishna Tattvam. Krishna as Brahman, Radha as Maya Tattvam Shakti Swarupini. Both are together all the time, they are inseparable. The inseparable lovers, they are represented. What it means, we have to understand. Shakti can never be separated from the Chaitanyam Brahma. Maya Tattvam is always dependently existing upon the Chaitanyam. Now, we are going to enter the Nirguna Tattvam of Paramatma, that is Nirakara Tattvam, Nirguna Tattvam. Nirakara Tattvam means here the formless real nature of God. That we have to understand. So the bhakti in that Parama Prema Swarupa Bhakti, Narada says. In bhakti, in that love, you forget yourself, your ahankara is dissolved in Parabhakti. That is total love, unconditional love. Your ahankara is dissolved. Once that ahankara is dissolved, aham, that is Brahman, that reveals to that person. That is why our bhakti granthas always talk about that devotion towards the Lord, unconditional love, so that you can purify yourself, your ahankara comes down, and your real nature can be revealed later through Guru. Now let us see this kriti. Nahire nahi shanka, kachit nahire nahi shanka. First Pallavi. Here re means we saw in that kriti, one kriti, sthirata nahi nahire manasa. Here Sadashiva Brahmendra is not using the word that manasa, but we have to supply re manasa. He is addressing his own mind. Oh mind, there cannot be any doubt or vagueness. Nahi re. Kachit, even any wee bit of doubt will not be there, cannot be there. Shanka means doubt. Doubt or vagueness. That cannot be there at any time for that person. Who are those people? He reveals that in the next charanam. First charanam, he says, for whom this shanka won't be there. They are all these people. Ye dhyayanti. Dhyayanti param brahma, aksharam brahma, advaitam brahma, anantam brahma, ajam brahma. That shantam brahma, whoever dhyayanti means contemplate. Contemplate means dhyayanti, literally you take meditation. Here our meditation is called nididhyasana, contemplation. Living in the teaching. What type of teaching? That Guru's teaching, Mahavakya, about Brahman nature. Swarupa Lakshanam is given here, Ajam, birthless Brahman. Whoever contemplate upon birthless Brahman. Aksharam, that Brahman who is imperishable. Aksharam. Advaitam Brahma, that Brahman upon which they contemplate is non-dual Brahman. Anantam, infinite Brahman. Param Brahma, supreme Brahman, all-pervading supreme Brahman. Then Shantam, total tranquil and peace is the nature of that Brahman. So we can remember Mandukya 7th mantra. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante Sa Atma Sa Vigneyaha. Nantah Pragnam Na Bahish Pragnam No Bhayata Pragnam. There Atma Swarupa Lakshanam is given. Turi Atma Lakshanam. Shantam, that word Sadashiva Brahmendra use here. Anantam Brahma, Advaitam Brahma, fully Nirgunam Brahma Swarupa Lakshanam is given. Ye dhyayanti, for them, re manasa, shanka kachit nahi. There is no doubt for them. They know that they are real Brahma Swarupam. They go beyond body-mind complex. That means going beyond means they falsify that body-mind complex. Their own body-mind complex. Every nama rupa they falsify. Now let us go to the second charanam. Those people will not have any doubt. Who are they? Whoever. Ye tyajanti. Whoever. Tyajanti gives up. What? Bahutara. Varieties of paritapam, sorrows. Who gives up the varieties of sorrows from their mind? They are always enjoying that Shanta Swarupam. Ye bhajanti satchit sukharupam. Brahman is of that nature, is of the nature of sadrupam, chidrupam, sukharupam. That is Brahman nature. Ye bhajanti. Ye tyajanti paritapam. Ye bhajanti satchit sukharupam. Pure existence, pure consciousness, pure ananda, sukharupam. Tyagaraja also sang in Ento Vedukondu O Raghava. Often I quote this, I like this Kirtana. Satta Matrama Chala Nammitene. Oh Rama, you are really speaking your pure consciousness. Satta Matrama. That Matrama is very important. Means Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit Ekameva Dvitiyam. So that Chandogya Upanishad also says Satta Matrama. Satta means pure existence. That is what Sadashiva Brahmendra also tells. Sat Chit Sukha Rupam. Pure existence, pure consciousness. That means Samanya Satta, Samanya Chaitanyam, Swarupa Ananda. That is the nature. By doing mananam, we can come out of this samshaya. Ajnana nivrityartham shravanam. Samshaya nivrityartham mananam. You have to reflect upon the teaching. Listening is one part of Jnana Yoga, one level. Then mananam, continuous mananam, doubtless knowledge alone is knowledge. Therefore, he says, Satchit Sukharupam ye bhajanti. They will never have any doubt. Nahi, nahi re, manasa, shanka, nahi, nasti, ityartha. How can there be any doubt now? Then, Charanam, last one, Paramahamsa Guru Bhanitam Geetam. That Geetam here, for those, this doubt will not be there for those who study. Pathanti, pathanti, whoever study about our Lord. He is Saguna Swarupam, Nirguna Swarupam, everything, whoever study. Geetam, and sing the song about God. Bhagavad Gita means song of the Lord. Song, it is like a song. Whoever sing the songs, how they sing Where from they got these songs, who are all sung by the great sages. Paramahamsa Guru Bhanitam Geetam. All these songs are sung by the great sages. Tyagaraja, Sadashiva Brahmendra, Mirabai, and Bhadrachala Ramadasa, Bhakta Tukaram, Muthuswami Dikshitar, all are great sages. Bhanitam Geetam, sung by the great sages, Param Hamsas, which contains the Nigamartha Sametam, which contains, the content is this, the true import of the Vedas. That's what we are seeing in all the Sadashiva Brahmendra Kirtanas. In my Nada Upasana, all series, I want to highlight this content. How they introduce Sagunam and how they introduce Nirgunam. Saguna to Nirguna you have to reach, you have to attain. The import of the Vedas, Nigamartha Sametam, ye pathanti Guru Bhanitam Geetam, that sages who ever sing the songs sung by the great sages. For those people who study and sing the songs sung by the sages. Beautiful presentation, which contains the true import of the Vedas. This is the great teaching. There is no doubt for them. For such seekers, there cannot be any vagueness or doubt, samshayaha. So, the final teaching is what? Samanya Satta is always inheres in Vishesha Satta, Rupena. In every object, whatever you experience the object, it is called Vishesha Satta, means specific existence. All this we saw in our Upanishad classes and our Vedanta Bhagavad Gita classes and Brahma Sutra class we saw. So specific existence proves always that Samanya Satta, general existence. Similarly, specific knowledge, Pratibodha Viditam Matam, in every knowledge, that pure Samanya Jnanam, original consciousness inheres. Kenopanishad, Pratibodha Viditam Matam. Similarly, Ananda Swarupam, if you take every Ananda, reflected Ananda, shows that there is original Ananda, Swarupa Ananda. Swarupa Ananda is inhering in every Anubhavananda, experiential Ananda. So that Ananda is available in the world, Vishesha Ananda Rupena, Anubhavananda Rupena, Vishesha Satta Rupena, Vishesha Jnana Rupena, it is available. But originally, this Atma is Ajam, Aksharam, Advaitam, Anantam, Shantam. This is the beauty of our teaching given by our Acharyas, derived from the Shastra. We have to understand. All Upanishads, quotings are there, hidden in every Kriti. It is our job to extract the essence of the Kritis. Therefore, what we are seeing, not just Kritis, but we are studying scriptures only, even through Sadashiva Brahmendra Kritis. This we have to enjoy. Through Sadashiva Brahmendra Kritis, we are doing what? We are studying our Upanishads only. Ajam, Aksharam, Shantam, Advaitam means Upanishadic teaching. And Satchit Sukha Rupam, all these quotations are wonderfully presented. And three more Kritis also we are going to see like this. Advaita Vedanta comes beautifully. Now, I am also happy that you are all enjoying the Kritis given in our music world. This is Sangeeta Samrajyam. In Sangeeta Samrajyam also we see that the eternal truth. We are enjoying through these kritis. We are all indebted to that great sages, Sadashiva Brahmendra. Now with this I conclude this Nahire Nahishanka Kriti Paramahamsa Guru Bhanitam Geetam E Pathanti Nigamartha Sametam. That word Nigamartha means the first Shabda Jnanam, then Artha Jnanam. Both are important. First we have to know the Shabda, then we have to know the Artha, meaning also. So Nigamartha Sametam, Artha Sahitena, along with the meaning, whoever knows and sing the songs sung by the sages, then will never have the doubts. So you can use these kritis for Nididhyasanam also. Hari Om. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.